We start with fire breathing or a couple of hearty breath work. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, place your hand on your belly, take a soft inhale, and now we start. So you do sharp exhale through your nose, pull your stomach in, inhale, release. Again, exhale in, inhale, release. So you do sharp exhales. Keep quick and steady. Focus on your belly, not on your chest. Short exhales, active core. Stay with it. Do around 100 or as many as you feel that's right for you. And then notice the energy in your body. The next one is 5-10 breathing or extended exhale. Sit or lie down comfortably and place one hand on your belly and one on your ribs. Inhale through your nose for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly for 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you exhale, gently tighten your core and feel your ribcage softly closing. Push the breath out slowly and all the way until the very last bit of air is gone. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Core engaged, ribs closing, empty completely. Relax your jaws and your shoulders. Continue in your own pace and notice how calm you are afterwards. You can do 20 cycles, which is 20 inhales and then exhales. Alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Bring your right hand to your face. Gently close your right nostril with your tongue. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close it and exhale through the left. Continue this pattern. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Keep the breath smooth and steady. No force, no rush. Feel the balance in your body. Stay here for a few more rounds. Repeat at least for 10 times.